Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 2nd of November 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Bank Nifty November future and Nifty November future. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, so let's get started and then we'll move with the markets. So let's start first with Bank Nifty as we have it on the chart. So the Bank Nifty November future, the previous closing here was at 41,477 and the open today was at 41,580, little bit gap up, and then the high was at 41,598 and then the low created today was at 41,232. Alright, now let's go to the market and then go to the 1 minute chart and then we can see how the market has moved over the day. The market not much, a little bit, approximately 100 point. It opened gap up and could not sustain over there, and once it touched 41,560, it went back up till 41,000. The November future, what's happening over here? November future, yeah, I think some mistake over here. Yeah, so the high it has, sorry, this is yesterday's. Oh cool, I got confused. All right, so let me tell you, over here it is. Yeah, cool. So the market opened around this levels, okay, which is 41,560. Yeah, so the market opened exactly on the pivot level, okay, exactly on the pivot level, and which is normal, and then flat. The market opening was flat today, and then the market opened up gap here, and then once it opened up, it went up till here, and it went up till 590, and once it could not sustain over there, it came back to the down in the first candle at 918 itself, 41,432, and from there it went to the bottom 41,386, and then went up to 41,597, and from here it went to continue on the down straight. Okay, it made a higher lows, as we can see. Okay, higher lows it has been made. We come to the drawing of the line and then come over here and then watch like this. Okay, it touches the top, moves back to the bottom at 41,417, and then again goes up to 41,473, and then from over here it comes back and then rotates and stays in like one range and makes a bottom of 41,213, while the Bank Nifty manages to close its day at 41,270. All right, so now let's move to Nifty November future. In Nifty November future, we have opened we have previous close at 18,221, and Nifty was also kind of flat opening. 41,222 is the open today, and low is created at for 18,117, while the high is created at 18,229. All right, so now let us go to the chat and then see on 3 minutes time frame. The market opened around here, went a quick high, and in the first candle itself it dropped back to the pivot level. Okay, it dropped to pivot level. When it dropped back to the pivot level, bounced back again to 18,200, and then moved back again to 18,159, and from over here it come back to the pivot level of this. All right, it came back to this pivot level and then went back again, made a quick low approximately at 1 o'clock, 103, went back up to 18,163, and then again fall bottom to 18,121, and then the market managed over here to close at 18,142. All right, so let me tell you one more thing. If we go to the option chain, the Bank Nifty, the PCR is at 1.19, the max pain is at 41,000, and at the money implied volatility is 19.8, IV percentage is 15, kind of a low. And then when we go to the Nifty options, chain, the PCR is 1.4, max pain is 17,950. That's where a lot of buyers are going to lose most of the money. And then we have at the money implied volatility at 15.4 percentages, 17 kind of a low, which is giving the status. All right, so yeah, that's all from my side today. Thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in tomorrow's video. Peace.